Have you ever heard about sigils? Let us talk about sigils. Now sigils, these are words, emotions or intentions that are transformed into a symbol that is magically or energetically charged. A sigil involves a combination of letters and images that communicate a person's intention into the universe. This is what I mean. We say that our words are powerful. Our words, they are spellings. Spellings come from the name spells. So before you accuse anybody of witchcraft, know that you have been performing witchcraft since the day you started to speak. You have been casting out spells. I can say a word like I am protected. That word is already powerful. But that word is not powerful enough, since that word can be interfered by our conscious mind. Our conscious mind has the ability of changing what we speak. Now, for that word or for that sentence to become powerful enough, I convert that sentence into a symbol. Now, that symbol is the one that we call a sigil. It is a symbol with a hidden meaning. Now, a sigil can be activated through meditation or visualization. Ancient people used to communicate with the universe and the spirits using sigils. Whenever you draw that sigil, maybe as a tattoo or maybe somewhere, and then you visualize that sigil using meditation, you make your intention known to the universe. That is one secret to magic. Now, sigils can be either good or bad depending on your intention. And that means that there is a spirit that is attached to each sigil. It can be either a high vibrational spirit or a low vibrational spirit, depending on your intention. A good example of a sigil is a Christian cross. A Christian cross, these are two intersecting lines that made to a certain point. The purpose of the Christian cross is to seal the spirit from crossing over. And that is why I tell you, instead of using the Christian cross, you use the Egyptian ankh. Another example, they are the emojis that we use on our phones. Why do you think you are able to know a person's emotion by using emojis? This is because the emojis, they are sigils. They are symbols that communicate a person's intention into the universe. Now, know how to use the emojis wisely. How do you make a sigil? Number one, you need to make a sentence with an intention. Like for example, say, I am protected. We want to turn this sentence into a symbol. What you need to do, you need to remove the repeating letters and remove the vowels, so that what you are remaining with, they are capital letters. Now you need to draw a circle and arrange the letters that you have found from that statement in a clockwise manner. Now what you need to do inside that circle, you need to connect those letters according to the way they arrange themselves. Now what you shall be having a symbol that is called a sigil. But be careful before you get the tattoo of this sigil, because these sigils, they depend on your intention. And remember, if you want to avoid any evil, first of all, you must not hear any evil, see no evil, talk no evil, do no evil.